TBS TV anime. But however, the main cast and the theme song of the information to be broadcast in other than in January 2016 became the announcement. Bamboo Bus to Edelscheid Firefly role of leading confectionery company president daughter of Attention FSAI is associated the way Coconut's role of mom and pop candy store is home to be the stage of this work. The house is in Peapod's role is a sister of the twins in the coffee shop Manami no Makura. The Suzuki Inki role of twin brother Tatsunza is the way Iodide role is the father of Coconut's Fujiwara Kiji has determined respectively. In addition, the theme song information is also listed. Opening theme Chickmate I Road Innocence is the charm oozing from carefree singing voice. Ending theme becomes a catchy music Soldiers Calorie Queen by Ayamoto Kitotsu in charge of the CD of Edelscheid Firefly. CD was recorded. The theme song is the simultaneous release on January 27, 2016. TV animation. But however, in serialized in Weekly Shonen Sunday, the long-awaited animated work of the same name comic popular in the search that total circulation is to break through 65 million copies up to 3 volumes of sale. Such as Umebo Young Donut Butamin in the original, everyone in the feature that the sweets appeared plenty to know. There is also the charm of such fun eating and choy plus recipes of sweets, popular around the 20s 30s. Collect Island Candy Shop unfolds Sun Kokonatsu and confectionery maker of Lady Firefly. Dazzling world of candy. Funny story is fun this TV anime strange tension but, however, potential may be what candy appeared. Broadcast start time looking forward to.